behind the scenes of the Time Machine. This is the final crunch to get this show together. We're here at the Home Depot with Sean and Chad. We've had a few hiccups this morning, but we're excited to get in there and buy some lumber. Let's do this.
We're mounting the main speakers for the Time Machine, which you see sort of coming together all around you, these flats.
This desk belonged to my great-grandmother, Lillian Mayer.
So we still have a ton of work to do, but we're going to be ready, and we're excited to see you August 22nd through September 1st at Union Arts DC. Tickets are at timemachine.brownpapertickets.com.